Hi, Egesa Ronald Leonard, Chief Executive Officer at StratEdge Consulting East Africa and Honorary Professor of Business Counseling. I want to deal with the question of, do I need to hire a lawyer or an accountant to do for me, legal and accounting work in my small business, which is just beginning? I'm not saying that you don't need these professional services. You actually do need them. But then I'll tell you for a fact is that, that you might not be able to afford the services of seasoned professionals in accounting and in the accounting and the legal professions. So the guys you might be able to afford with your little money when you're beginning might be guys who are also just learning their professions. They're just learning the ropes. They're not experienced enough, so they don't have the wherewithal to give you the required advice that will work in your situation. So my advice usually is that invest some time to read. Usually there is a lot of information with the tax authorities that helps you to file your own tax returns. So you can actually do the filing of your own tax returns. It's a matter of investing 1, 2, 3 hours. You go to the website and the reading materials that are provided by the tax authorities, and you will be able to file your own tax returns, except in situations where the tax authority insists that you must get the services of a certified tax agent. Then you might not have a shortcut to that. Otherwise, most of these other compliance issues with the tax authorities, you should be in position to do them yourself. Now, since you have already the guts to start the business, you should also be having the patience or the presence of mind to spend 2-3 hours going through the things that you need to be able to file for taxes. And then the same thing comes to the services that small businesses usually require from lawyers. These are usually services to do with statutory compliance, registration of the business, and then acquiring or getting subscriptions and licenses. These are things that you can also do for yourself. So you adopt that approach of do it yourself, DIY, so that you save money. You want to be frugal when you start your business. You don't want to go on blowing money. I will tell you that even when you have the money, it is not advisable that you go on blowing money anyhowly in a small business, because throwing money at a problem has proven to be very ineffective. It's one of the surest way of killing your business when it's still young. Allow a business to go through the paces, to go through the stages, let it sit, let it stand, let it walk, and then run. All the best.